Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I wanted to show you two more styles of little mini Valentine's Day junk journals. These are made using the chocolate boxes from the Dollar Tree, and they have a heart shape cutout. So I thought they'd be perfect to make a shaker cover, and I will have a video up on how to make these coming soon. It's already filmed, so it'll be up within the next couple of days, but I have 6 of these made, 3 of each color, and they are in my Etsy shop right now. If you purchase these, you will also get one of these cute little, move it out of the way, cute little shaker bubble, like a bubble bottle with a little bubbles wand, and yeah, super cute. I purchased a die set from Temu, and that's what I made this one from, and then they each come with one of these Valentine sayings, and that was also a die set, so I made those. So they'll each have one of those, and then of course comes with all the things that are filled on the inside like normal. I'm going to just show you one of these, and then you can check them out in my Etsy shop. So they are one signature. They are approximately 4 by 5 1/4, I believe, or 5 1/2. And I think they just turned out so adorable. They all have this charm and bead, what do we call them? Bookmarks, but they're on a string, that kind of a bookmark. So it comes out at the top and the bottom. And it has this adorable conversation heart charm. Those were from Temu. They are tied up with heart ribbon. And like I said, it is a shaker cover, so super cute. There's a wood heart and also a puffy heart. These puffy hearts were from Temu, and these wood hearts were from the Dollar Tree. And then I put some crocheted lace around the bottom, and then I stitched all the way around, and then on the inside there's a little pocket, and I did lots of stitching throughout the whole thing. There's vintage items in here, a few vintage book pages, and then a bunch of other things. There are vintage Valentines, and I made, of course, pockets and belly bands and things like that. Lots of different kinds of papers. Here's a vintage magazine page. Some tissue paper, lined paper, all kinds of trims. There's a heart doily. This is vintage wrapping paper. This was some dyed paper that I made with stencils. This is a piece of a Valentine gift bag, and it's a pocket at the top, so I just stuck in a vintage while you were out little sheet there. Here's another vintage page from a kid's craft book. I used different washi tapes, and they each have 2 altered paper clips. This is a napkin. So just lots of fun places for journaling or putting pictures. They all have a vintage milk cap. I did stamping. This is, just a little piece of paper there. This is an embossed paper. I had purchased, oh, did I get this from Amazon or Temu? I can't remember, but it's little mugs. Well, no, this is a Valentine embossed paper that I purchased. I do have a vintage, I'm sorry, my words are getting away from me. There is some embossed paper in here that was from an embossing folder, but this happens to be paper that I purchased already embossed. Then I have these really cute vintage Valentine stickers. They're vintage images. I had these cute little paper clips from Temu. They're a mug with a heart inside. So I just attached a card, journaling card there, and then some Monopoly money. It's the other side of that craft book. And then here is the embossed, this was the cupcakes and hearts, and that was an embossing folder that I used on that. There we go. Here is a little envelope. You can put things in there, and then also it is a pocket at the top. Here's some really cool vintage ribbon. It's an embroidered ribbon, or I guess that would be called embroidered, yeah. And then this is some fun satin heart ribbon from Temu. Another magazine page. Some cute little vintage image stickers there. And then this is some really fun vintage ruffle on the side. Little pocket, and this is a vintage playing card. I'm not sure what the BB stands for. And then here is the back cover with a little journaling card. And here is the back. This is a pocket here, so you could put something in there if you wanted to. I just covered up like all that ingredient information and all that. So that is that one. I think it turned out really cute. And as I said, this one is pretty much the same. It just has different vintage pages in it, but kind of laid out the same, has the same orders and all the same elements. I will have pictures of all the journals up in my Etsy shop if you want to see more details, and also if you're interested in them, you can check them out there as well. Also watch out for notifications, because I will be putting up a tutorial video on how I made this in the next couple days. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.